Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. This is part 4 in a 4-part mini-series on how in the world to solve percent problems, particularly real-world problems, based on this relationship between part over the whole equaling percent. The students in my classroom have this assignment to do in which they have 4 questions. All 4 of these questions are based on real-world problems. In fact, at least the first 3 are real problems I've actually had to solve in my life and where I actually had to do the math. So what I'm going to do with you is I'm going to set up the first problem. And this is actually a true story. It's 11:30 at night. You're trying to do your banking over the internet. Your MasterCard bill comes due in 30 minutes. You foolishly lost the actual bill. Not only that, you can't remember your password to access the MasterCard website. You have the money in the bank to pay the bill. You really don't want to pay any interest. You found a scrap of paper on which you've calculated how much interest you have to pay in 1 month if you didn't pay the bill. And this was $32.87. You know that the MasterCard company charges 21% interest per year on your card. How much money do you have to pay? And by the way, as I do this setup, there is a little something wrong with that question. I wonder if any of you viewers out there can figure out what might be wrong with this question. At any rate, that's a true story. So there I was, sitting there at night going, I don't want to pay that 30 bucks. Well, this is what I did. Started with the part over the whole, and I knew it was equal to the percent. I looked at my question and I looked at, okay, the 11:30 didn't matter, 30 minutes didn't matter. I have an amount that I had to pay, but it's not the bill. The bill is the whole. This is the part. So I put the $32.87 into the part position, and then there was the interest rate. I put that here. And I put the X here. And then I went and solved the question. And if you need to remember how to do that, you can go back one video.